Okay, just before we go any further, this next lesson, we're going to talk about the term sharp, flat, and natural in music. Okay, I like to think of these nearly like a set of traffic lights where, we have stop, get ready, go, sort of red, amber, green, or whatever the color sequence may be in your country. And going to our note C, that is the natural note. So if I said to play C natural, you would play, the white key, the written note, D natural, E natural, F natural, G natural, A natural, B natural. Okay, the black keys cannot be natural notes because to go from an alphabetic musical note onto one of these, we have to alter the alphabetical note. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G are all the natural notes of the musical scale. So let's move to the word sharp. Okay, a sharp is just again a label used to tell us in music to go up or right on the keyboard by one note. Okay, so again that would mean up by a semitone or up by a half step. Now, so if we're on C and we want to play C sharp, we go up to the very next note on the right. So think of it like that. The sharp just is up the next note on the right, going this way on the keyboard. So the very next note on the right. So C, C sharp, D, D sharp, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp. Now interestingly, let's come to B. Where's B sharp? I hear you ask. Okay, I get this a lot from students. They either tell me there is no B sharp, or because they believe that sharps and flats should be black keys, they'll jump to here. Okay, well that's C sharp. And also that's a distance of two notes, not one. And we said that sharp means to go up by one note. Okay, a semitone or a half step. Okay, well it's very simple. It's a formula. It's just telling us to do something. So B sharp is C. So what we find out here is that notes can have more than one name. Okay, and if we think of it, if you get married, especially if you're female, you can change your name. So most of us have more than one name. So why shouldn't notes be any different? So B sharp is C. E sharp is F. Okay, it's more common to call it F because that's the written note, but you can refer to it as E sharp. Okay, so there we go. Okay, now let's go to the other term, which is flat. And all flat is telling us is to go the opposite direction, down by one note, half step or semitone. So B, B flat, A flat, G, G flat, E flat, D, D flat. Okay, half step to the left. Okay, and again, C flat. Okay, you're probably ahead of me this time. C flat is not here, and of course there is one. All it means is you go this direction. So C flat is the note B, and F flat is the note E. Okay, so these aren't actually particular notes, and they're certainly not just the black keys in the piano. Flat and sharp can apply to white keys as equally as to the black keys. So C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, E sharp, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, B sharp. Okay, so sharp, one note, a semitone or half step to the right or up the keyboard. Natural, the actual written note. And flat, one note or left, down half step or semitone on the piano.